Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings option and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down, find the system option and then tap on it. Here, find the connectivity option and tap on it. Then select the Wi-Fi option. And here, scroll down, find My Networks and tap on it. Then tap on Search for Networks. It's gonna start looking for the nearby networks. Once it finds networks near your watch, find the network you want to connect to, and once you find it, tap on it. And now we need to enter the password. So enter the password by using the keyboard on the screen. Okay, and once you enter the password, simply tap on the check mark to confirm. It's gonna start connecting to the network. For some reason it failed. Let's try again. So I'm gonna re-enter the password because probably I entered the password wrong. So I'm gonna tap on Search Networks, tap on it again and enter the password again. This time hopefully it's going to work. Okay, let's see. Okay, this time it worked, connection successful, and the network will appear on the list of My Networks. You can tap on it, and here you can update the password or remove it if you want to. But at this point we are connected to the network, so we can press the back button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Well, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.